What's up guys? Our lesson for today is about matrices. So let's start our discussion with some definitions and basic concepts about matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers which is usually enclosed with parentheses or sometimes brackets. This is an example of a matrix. A row is a horizontal list of numbers in a matrix. So in the previous example, we have three rows, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. On the other hand, a column is a vertical list of numbers. So in our previous example, we also have three columns: 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, and 3, 6, 9. The order of a matrix is denoted by m by n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. So in our previous example, the matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix because it has 3 rows and 3 columns. A 1 by n matrix is called a row matrix, or the matrix with only one row. On the other hand, a column matrix is an n by 1 matrix, or the matrix with only one column. A square matrix is an n by n matrix, which means the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. In our previous example, since we have 3 rows and 3 columns, we conclude that this is a square matrix. An entry A sub ij in a matrix A is the number located on the ith row and jth column. In our previous example, A sub 2, 3 equals 6, since 6 is located in the second and third column. The transpose of a matrix A, denoted by A to the t, is obtained by switching rows for columns, and that also means columns for rows. For example, if A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A transpose equals 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. The first row becomes the first column, and the second row becomes the second column. We also have null matrix, which means all entries are 0. For example, this square matrix 0, 0, 0, 0 is a null matrix because all entries are 0. The main diagonal of a square matrix are the entries from the top left to the bottom right. On the other hand, the anti-diagonal are the entries of the top right to the bottom left. We also have diagonal matrix, which is a square matrix where the non-diagonal entries are all zeros. For example, the matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3 is a diagonal matrix because all non-diagonal entries are 0. An identity matrix, which is actually one of the most popular matrix, is a square matrix where A sub ij equals 0 for I is not equal to j, and if I is equal to j, A sub ij equals 1. Or the diagonal entries are equal to 1 and the diagonal entries are equal to 0. For example, the matrix I3, which is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is a 3 by 3 identity matrix.